Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a follow-up video for simple CRM systems in my efforts to sort it out. The developers are very quick about replying, and the answer to my earlier question, how many columns can I have? I can have 10 up here. Oh, look at that. Just lost it. Oh, there we go. Okay. I can have 10 columns up here, and I can have 10 columns in this area as well. So need to think very carefully about what columns you're going to, or what data points you're going to track. And you don't want duplicates, like I have duplicate here. So that's this one I'm going to delete because I don't need that one. And I will obviously need a company name. That's going to be important. Phone number, email, and I'll need a website. That's also important. And this would also be nice to have an indication whether or not they're on WhatsApp or Skype. So I can get all kinds of data points. I can start tracking all kinds of data points on just one individual. And I use up my 10 points pretty fast. And another data point that I need is the DMC, and I need to know whether or not I should be wasting my time on this person. So I get rid of these data points, and now I've used up my 10 up here. Now these I can specify. So for example, this has to be a number. Why does it have to be a number? Because it's customized. And well, I'm going to put it has to be a number. And I can have data validation. So let's data validate this particular column here, select value. This should be pulling from another spreadsheet because I could have literally 30 or 40 suppliers. So we'll call it supplier A, supplier B, supplier C, supplier D, etc. Now I click on save, and now I should have supplier A right there. Now priority, again, this I'm going to set to priority because yes, we do use priorities, and this is going to be priority A, priority B, and priority C. And I'll want to sort by priority A, and this is a B, and then this is an A. So I want to be able to sort. Who are we looking at? Okay, we've got 3 contacts. I'm going to sort. I'm going to sort by priority. But there is no sort. I can't sort. How do I sort? That's weird. I have to be able to sort, right? Let's see what the search. Priority A. Okay, let's go with priority A. And search. Okay, so yeah, I'm able to search by priority A. Let's do a search by supplier. And we go back to our sheet. I just updated, I updated the supplier. You saw that, but it didn't save. So let's update this by supplier C. Now we do another search. And DMC, supplier C. Oh, I don't know if I had one. Supplier A. And search. Okay, so I got the supplier A with priority A. So these people I want to contact. And now I'm going to authorize Google. Allow. Allow. Okay, so this is one email for each recipient. It doesn't, oh, what's this? Oh, that's HTML. It doesn't look like there is any kind of templating tool here. So if I was to say, hello, is it not working? Hello, first name. Huh. Space is not working. Space bar is not working. Okay, that's another bug. I'm going to cancel that. All right, so we found another bug. The space bar does not work when composing an email. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and this is simplecrmsystem.com. Thank you.